In this video, we are going to learn how to solve systems of linear equations by using the substitution method. Okay. Now we know that this is a system of equations because it's two equations. There's my equal sign up here, my equal sign down here. They're both equations and it's two equations together, so we know that this is a system of equations. And we know that when we solve a system of equations, really what we're trying to figure out is the point of intersection. We know that when we look at these equations and they're graphed, they're two lines, and the solution to the system of equations is the point of intersection on the graph. Okay, where do these lines meet? And we know that the point of intersection consists of an x comma y value. It's an ordered pair. All right, when we solve this system of equations, really what we're trying to figure out is what's the value of x and what's the value of y. In this case, we're going to use the substitution method. All right, again, we're trying to figure out the value of x and y to make it an ordered pair, the point of intersection, an x comma y value. In this case, they actually told us what y was. Y equals 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute this value for y. They told us y equals 4. Into this top equation. We're going to plug in 4 for y up here, since y equals 4. We are substituting this value into our equation up here. Okay, so let me do that here. I'm going to recopy the top equation. 5x plus 3y equals 7. And now I'm going to plug in or substitute my information here that y equals 4 into my first equation. So let me rewrite it. We have 5x plus 3 times 4, since y equals 4, equals 7. All right, let me further solve this equation. 5x plus, well, 3 times 4 is 12, equals 7. All right, now we're down to a two-step equation. All right, we've seen this before at the beginning of the year. All right, we have to, when we're solving for this equation, we're looking for the unknown variable, and in this case, it's the x. Okay, so how am I going to continue trying to get x by itself? Is we're doing the inverse operation over here. We have to get rid of the 12. Since it's being added to 5x, we have to subtract it. All right, whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. Over here, 12s cancel out, and I'm left with 5x equals 7 minus 12 is negative 5. All right, now x isn't by itself yet. I have to keep going. How do I get x by itself? I divide both sides by 5. All right, the 5s cancel out, and I'm left with x equals, what's negative 5 divided by 5? Negative 1. So now I know x equals negative 1. All right, and up here for my first equation, I knew that y equaled 4. So I have my final answer. The solution to this system of equations, if I used an ordered pair, my x value is negative 1 and my y value is 4. All right, so let me write it as an ordered pair. Remember, an ordered pair is an x comma y. It's the point of intersection. I know that my x is negative 1 and my y is 4. So this is my final answer.